Hey guys, this is just a reminder to change your anode rod. I think that's how you pronounce it. So this is a brand new one. This is our old one I just changed. Look at all the calcium deposits that have come out of this. And this is just on 1 year's time of RVing, so make sure you stay on top of that.
Guess what today is?
I don't know, Tuesday?
It's my birthday! Birthday.
She's the big 3-0.
I am not. You shut your mouth. I'm 29. Well, I wanted to learn how to crochet. No other time than a 5-hour car ride.
I told you guys she was getting old, and now look at her over here knitting.
This is crochet. I tried knitting and it's way harder. So, here I am. I'm trying to make a blanket. I literally have never crocheted anything in my life. And I just picked today and I want to learn. So here I am.
So we're almost there, guys. Got about an hour left. Got snow over there.
We made it. We just pulled in. He's gonna pull up a little bit more. It's snowy and it's cold. There's still snow. It was snowing a little bit on our way over here. We were going through the hills and mountains.
I want to make sure our stairs come down. Should miss it. Right there.
I think so. We got these giant logs to mark the spots, and we just got to make sure our stairs will go down because we have to fold downstairs.
Oh, just a hair.
Just a little bit. Just make sure. So that's always something you want to look at before you unhitch. Just make sure your stairs will go down if you have the stairs that go down. Some people have the slide out ones. And then make sure your slide out has plenty of room, so you don't hit nothing with your slide out. Which we're very good. There's nothing. So, whew, it's cold. Looks good to me. Working on the zip line. We made it.
Big Texan.
Now turn left and then you will reach your destination.
RV Ranch.
We didn't win no money in Albuquerque at the casino, so might as well come eat a steak.
Well, we got all unhitched. Getting everything situated. And when you check in here, they ask if you have any dogs. And I said, yeah, we have 2. And so they give you dog treats. So I'm gonna go give it to them.
Pretty cool. Let's go. You guys want a treat?
You want a treat? Huh? You want a bone? What? What? What?
Let's try.
Look what they gave us! Look what they gave us! Are you excited? Angela, I'll have to give you something else. I don't think your little teeth can handle these. Ruby, come here. Sit. Like magnets.
Is that good?
Doggy approved. I think it's always cute whenever they give us the dogs something.
Angel said, now what the heck is this?
Alright, let me get yours.
So what the heck? You gonna bacon?
Bacon. Bacon. We made it back to Arkansas. What did you say whenever we crossed the line?
It just feels natural to be back in this state.
Yeah, well, Arkansas is known as the natural state. He just thinks he's funny with all the dad jokes, so I had to share it.
So we stayed in Sallisaw, Oklahoma last night, which was a pretty good overnight stay.
I really like that KOA. We've stayed there twice now, and at both times, I mean, the place is just really nice. The people are really friendly. They even have an option where you can order food and they'll deliver it to your site. So it's pretty nice.